mommy goes. Hey, mommy. See you soon. There she goes.
You wanna see everybody happy now? Everybody happy now. Me wanna see everybody happy now. Everybody happy now.
What's up, YouTube? It's about Tata here. Welcome to the vlog. I started a day early basically. This vlog is kind of very emotional for me. Like, this Saturday, February 8th. Yeah. My mom leaves tomorrow. I just wake up a while ago. It's like, yeah, I got to 9 then. I look outside and I see the rain falling. And like, yeah, I'm really going. Just decided to start the vlog like a show now. The rain is falling. Look at it. The place was so bleak, you understand? It just bleak, like. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah, let's wake up. This is the day. I'm not sure yet. Heading out to the airport now. It's gonna be a sad vlog, guys. Don't get prepared for an elite situation. But yeah.
Remember the important group. No matter what time you reach, the boarding pass where you get, the group where you're going in. This book they have group 1 to 20. Well, the book was
That's right.
Mammy. What you doing right there, bro?
I want to take a picture.
So make you take a picture. So you gonna wear your bag to Aiden? Aiden? You gonna wear your bag?
just stand up.
Yeah, second gate downstairs. Look at my mommy going away, leave me, guys. Him just happy I dance. You happy? Him just happy. You see, I come on out of the way, I got tear up. Him happy. In here look good still. In here look good. Which part says she just reach? Just reach? At least you have a friend on the flight with you. Not got nobody with me. Your lip white, come lick your lip. Let me see, lick your lip.
Yes.
Watch where you go.
You can't keep the lip down.
Oh, you can't keep it on you? Keep it on nice, sailors. White slip, bang.
Let's go up here.
You understand what's called a talk to you. What should I do? She just reach? To sit down with her family? So guys, I really show my face because I don't know how to cool. Wash and trim. I really don't want to ask. Look about the happy and joyful. She don't really understand, you know? Yeah, out here, I'm not leaving until she actually comes on the plane. So yeah, there she is. I'm going to get up, bro. That's it. So what's right there? Look at that. It's your own, you hold it like a bag. It's yours. Come give me a smile. Me a pick. Huh? You put it in my bag, it is my bag, right? It's 2 bags, you know, so one for you, one for me. This is my own. She laughed, finally she smiled. What more? Come on, cheer up, man. It's 7:37. The line over here. Oh look guys, it's me on the show now. Like come out, brother, like come out. Man, hungry. Just come on for a plane. The phone, man. Take my one. Go up and take the selfie already. Oh. You're smiling a lot. Let me see. Don't cry.
Come, eat it. Come on, go where?
Don't cry. Here's the song, mommy. No woman no cry. No woman no cry.
Solo los maleteros con gorros
Sí, sí,
rojos
ma'am.
están autorizados a prestar asistencia en el manejo del equipaje. No acepte ofertas de ninguna persona desconocida.
Watch your man. Yo, you're good enough. You're good enough. You know, say you're good, right? You are good as gold, bro. There mommy goes. Hey, mommy. See you soon. There she goes. You don't cry, be strong. I'm just signing up right now, guys. Alright, bro. Alright, so you're happy. You know. Got it.